find the distance between the points -3, 8, and 2, 7. Let's start by writing down our distance formula, which is d, the distance, is equal to the square root of the difference between your x values, x2 minus x1, quantity squared, plus the difference between those y values, y2 minus y1, quantity squared. Now let's identify our points as x1, y1, and x2, y2, and let's substitute values. This distance is the square root of, let's subtract our x values here. X sub 2 is the number 2, minus x sub 1, or a -3. We'll square that in a minute. Plus the difference between our y values. Y sub 2 is 7, minus y sub 1 is 8, and square that quantity as well. Simplifying, this is the square root of 2 minus a -3 is 2 plus 3, or 5 squared. 7 minus 8 is a -1 squared. This becomes the square root of 25 plus 1, that's the square root of 26. Therefore, the distance between the points -3, 8 and 2, 7 is the square root of 26.